Hello and welcome to the Crafty Diamond. I am Debbie. I have a new organizer for drills that I'm going to try out. This is from Paintsomeway and would like to thank Paintsomeway for sending this to me. These are very similar to Harbor Freights. So if you cannot get Harbor Freights and you want to try them, maybe you want to try these. It does come in this container here, and then we have these. These are smaller than Harbor Freights, but I think they will hold quite a few, so you could try them to see if you like them. And so I thought what I would do, because I'm not sure if I'm going to like these either, but I do like Harbor Freight, so I thought I'd go ahead and kit up a small painting with you guys today. This is Bugs Bunny, and it is from Diamond Art Club. I've had it for a while. It's around only 11 colors. I loved Bugs Bunny when I was growing up. I even had as one of my usernames was Bugs, and with 2 G's instead of 1, but it was because of Bugs Bunny. So this is only a 32.8 centimeter by 37.8 centimeter. And I thought this would be perfect because I am working on 2 canvases that are very large and they're also extremely confetti heavy. I need something that is going to be color blocky and also very little colors, and then also smaller. So I thought this would be absolutely perfect. I searched in my stash. I had a few that I could have chosen from, but I thought this would be perfect because of how color blocky that it is. So let's go ahead and get started, and then I can test these out and see if I'm going to like them. I don't even know how much will fit in here, but I'm always up for more tools, and I thought this would be perfect, and I will put the price and everything below if you're interested. And there's another one that Paintsomeway has that I've been looking at too, and thought I would try that one also. So I wanted to do this one first. So let's go ahead and just put my stickers on the containers, and I guess since these go up like this, I don't think I can do it the other way, because then I guess I could. Might be easier to put the stickers on this back side and just have it down like this. If I did it like this, that would work too, but it may not stick very well. I think I'll go this way. Now with Diamond Art Club, I am not worried about my stickers permanently sticking or adhering to my container, and I've worked with Diamond Art Club for a long time, and I don't ever have to worry about their stickers. It's more so with their stickers if they're going to stick. So I'm going to go ahead and just put these stickers on here. And this is, with this container, it's very compact. So I wanted to take this with me, such as going to work, or if I wanted to take this from going out of town, which I am next weekend. I'm having to go out of town for a work function, and this would be small enough that I could just throw in my bag, because I have to spend the night at a hotel for 2 days. I could throw this in my bag if I wanted to. I don't know if I'm going to take this with me or if I'm going to take a Paint Gem Mini. I may just take a Paint Gem Mini, because the last time that I tried to diamond paint in a hotel, the lighting was horrible. And I'm not taking a bunch of stuff. I don't need to take a light pad and everything else just for 2 days. And I will be busy. It's not just going to all be playing. I am there for a specific reason. But I definitely want to have something to do in between the seminars and sessions that I have to go through. And I thought this This might work too, and I think that this will be an excellent type of organization that I can also use for upcoming Paint Gym Minis. I have several of those kitted up right now, and I did think about kitting up Paint Gym Minis on this, but I have way too many now, and I need to just back off on those and go ahead and try to get some done. Now with Diamond Art Club, I'm going to move these out of the way. With Diamond Art Club, with their train of drills, they're not in order by DMC number, but they're in order by weight. And since there's only 11 colors, I'm not too concerned of putting these in order. Of course, it might go faster, I guess. I'll just go ahead and cut all of these off. I do need to have a finish, at least one a month, and it's not because I am in a rush or anything to finish paintings, but I need to have a completion, and that is for me. It makes me motivated more, makes me feel like I am making progress. These 415s are huge, 2 bags, and the same thing with 3846. So I will have plenty of extra containers for these. Now I'm going to put these in order. That's 948. I'm just going to put these down here so I can see what they are. So when I grab for color, I'll know what I have. All right, so this one is 413. Let me put these over here. I don't feel like I am organized at all today. And there is a reason why, but I have my garbage can. These do not come in baggies with Diamond Art Club, so I have to cut these, and I'm okay with that. Usually with these type of bags, for me anyway, it's not as much static. The next one, let's see, 3846. I'll put these in an order later. There's only a one number, and that is a number 1. And then there is one letter, and that's an L. Everything else is just different types of symbols. I am running into some static, not horrible. Some static here. I thought about putting these into a tray first. I do have my static guard if I need it. That seems to work best for me. And I was kitting up one day, this week actually, and I wasn't kitting up. I just had my drills, and they were very staticky, and I was going to diamond paint, and my husband came down into my craft room and was just talking to me, and he's like, why are these drills, why are they like this? And they were popping everywhere, and like they do whenever I'm trying to kit up with you guys sometimes. And so I told him, I said, it's static. It is all over me. It's all over the drills. I need to put some dryer sheets in here. And he said, well, that's ridiculous. Why do you use dryer sheets? And so I told him about the static and dryer sheets, and told him about static guard. And so he is an electrician for one of our local utility companies. And so he said, do you know why those are that way, why they're staticky? And of course, he goes into all this detail about static, what causes static. We often have these electrical conversations. So sometimes I don't say anything because, and he goes into all this detail, and honestly, I have no idea what the man is trying to tell me. But this time, he said, you need to make sure that the drills, the bag of drills, before you open them are grounded. That's what causes static. And I'm like, yeah, I got it. So then he's telling me, well, if you go and you buy this and you make this little contraption, you put it on your hand, then you're going to help with the static. You're not going to have that much static. And he said, I promise it will work. But he's telling me all this stuff to buy. I have no earthly idea what he's talking about. So he often goes to Lowe's or Home Depot, and he will buy just whatever. Sometimes he is like me. I'll go into a craft store and I'll just look around. I'll come out with nothing. That's kind of unusual. Usually I buy at least something, but sometimes I'll just go walk around. When we had a local craft store here close to where I used to work, I would go in, I would just walk around my lunch hour just to get out of the office and just to see what was new. And I didn't buy anything. And he does that when he goes to like a local hardware lumber store type thing. So he said that next time he goes, he's going to buy me what I need and show me how all of this works. And he said, you won't ever have static again. And so I told him, I said, if that is the case and you come up with something, I guarantee you, if it works and you make it look where it looks decent, not some tacky little contraption, I said, others are going to want this too, because we all suffer from static. One way or the other, we're going to eventually have static with our diamond paintings. So I'm really curious to see what he is going to come up with. And then, if it works, I will have to share with you guys. I don't know when I'll be kitting up again. This kit will not take me very long. I'm just going to work on it here and there in between my two Josephine walls. When I get to where I need a break, but I want a diamond paint, and I want to have a finish for the month. So hopefully I will get this finished. I know I'll get this finished in April. That's the plan. And then I might kit something else up that's small. Maybe one of my budget-friendly canvases that I have, just so I can get some of those done too. I've given a lot of those away, but I do plan on doing a couple that I kept. Right, here's 5,200. The ones that are having to go into two separate containers, I will label those later. I'm not concerned. The only one that I have to really watch is there's two blues, and they look very similar. One full bag fits in here with no problem for Diamond Art Club. That is number 5,200. And then I've got another one here that's another 3/4 of a bag. You can see that. So that will fit in here with no problem. And I am liking these. They feel to be really good quality. And they may be as large as Harbor Freight. They do hold quite a bit. So far I'm pleased with these. And I love to organize. I love different types of organizers to try out. So this is like right down my alley. It is my cup of tea to try out different types of organizers that we can use. $3.52, and also at good price points too. I might even work on this one on my Whip and Chat next week. before Tuesday. More than likely, I think I will, because my Josephine Wall ones, they're kind of hard to do with a whip and chat. There's so many colors, and the black and white one, I have to really concentrate, and I don't think I'll be doing that one on camera. If you want to follow those two that I'm working on, you can also follow me underneath the Crafty Diamond on Facebook, and then you can also follow my progress in the Josephine Wall group. And I'm also going to be posting on Instagram. That is one of my goals for this year. Can't get this one back in here the way I want it. I'm also going to be posting on Instagram this year more than what I have been. But here are the colors. And here is this container. And it does feel to be really good quality. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that this gave you maybe another option for your diamond paintings, for organization. Flip it up here. I can't do anything with my right hand, and I'm right-handed. But look how pretty, and I like that you can see the colors through there. Thanks for joining me today as I tried out a new organization system for me. And until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.